Hello guys, this is Ruben from Sonic Xtreme Sound, just to come show you some of the stuff that we do here. This is a 12-inch custom box that it's on its first stages of building. Of course, you know, we build them to last. We screw them 1.5 inch wood screws. Nail them. We use 1 1/4 brat nails. We glue them also. And on the inside, we always use liquid nail. That'll keep them a little bit stronger, and of course, keep them from coming apart with the strong base. This box in particular is only going to be for a couple of 12-inch 500 series digital design. 1.5 cubic feet. There you have it. 12-inch, 1.5 cubic feet per size for 12-inch DD subs 500 series. If you want your boxes built, come see us. We'll build you the right box that'll last for a long time. We're Sonic Xtreme Sounds in Fort Stockton, Texas, 2401 West Dickinson. 432-360-8183. Also coming soon to Alpine, Texas. Thank you for watching.